All right, folks. I did it again. I think it's Friday. I'm not sure. I'm tired. I've been kayaking against the currents of the Ohio River for days, and it's warmed up today. It's a big plus. My hands aren't feeling like they're ice, but I'm looking this. You see, I'm on this slant going down to the sand of the river. All the stuff that fell out of the bank has to be up here, it points to. You can see fire rock and stuff in here coming out. And these roots hold stuff here. See how they've caught this fire rock? See here, there's some beaver trimmings, but look at all this stuff tumbling down. I'm going along here looking at this stuff, looking back in these places, and I get to this spot and look at this. This is a lancelet, I'm pretty sure. I already got a picture of it. It's just how I saw it. Let's pull this bad boy out. Oh, it's a big blade. Oh, made of canola black. Nice find. Let me get this wiped. Well, I'll just do it here live. Oh, man. You couldn't ask for a better find. Oh, that's nice. Real nicely made. Look at that edge work on that. And that's canola black chert from West Virginia. I'm in Ohio now, but I'm pretty close to that source, within the distribution range of it to where it's common. It's all up and down the river. It's just all over the place for miles. But this is a beauty. That's a nicely worked blade for canola black. It's not the greatest material, and most of the stuff's crappy, but this is not. That is nice. Happy to get that and glad I came out. Stuff's unthawed, that's why I came. This was froze last time I was in here. Wow. And look here, see this trough going in? That's where beaver's going in. All of this stuff in here is all carried in by beaver. Look at all of it. All went around this, clear out into there. But man, day maker, folks, day maker. I'm gonna look around real good. Hopefully I can find something else. Later, folks. Alright, just a few feet over from that, I'm looking this real good and pulling this stuff back and looking at all of the ground real close. You can find points that way. But I got something else and it looks fairly nice and new. Do you see it? Right there. Ooh, that's a nice brand new lure. Lost probably this summer. It's a nice one. Well, anyway, folks, later. Right there's some beaver action. You can see where he's been dragging the sticks there. Some of the tracks are distorted, but you can kind of see him there. Kind of like a raccoon, but kind of not. You can see him going up through there. I got a nice blade, folks. I can't believe it. And there's even potential here. I can't believe I found something laying out. But see, there's gravel and stuff exposed, even in the water. So I'm gonna look this real close. Later. Alright, just a little bit longer, farther, looking at wash. Look here. This is a piece of faceted rubbed hematite. Tell you what it is, and oh, it's a nice one. It's just got like 90-degree angles on it, look. And they rubbed this on like a piece of sandstone, like this, and it would have got the color like that, like a deep red. Look at how rubbed that is. That's a cool one. Very cool. Later, folks. Well, this is it for the Ohio hunts today. I might cruise over to West Virginia and look one place, but it's all mudded in. I don't even think there is any sense. But man, what a day maker. Black canola chert for sure. It's pretty nice quality for what it is. It's kind of glossy in places. dried out nice. I kept it in my pocket. It's nice. It's got some basal thinning strikes on there. It looks like it looks like it was just a little knife, and that's the cutting edge. It's got a little grinding back here. Find Amos points here, so that's probably one of those Amos knives. Later, I'll be able to read the name on him. I'm sitting in about 25 feet of icy water. Shouldn't be out here. Around these boats this time of year, you can get in trouble falling in the water, believe me. It says the Warren or something. Bar, I think, maybe, I can't tell. Anyway, folks, later. Another successful day, folks. I hope you enjoy the video. Found a nice knife laying out. I'll get back on one of my next times. Probably go dig some marbles and stuff this week, and maybe metal detect, we'll see. Maybe do a mail call. I gotta get that done. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Later.